What's up guys, today we've got the KEMiMOTO manual UTV wiper, and so you just open her up here, nice little box, get some instructions with it. So they basically just show you everything it comes with, how to install it, and I'll be going over that. So, it comes in this nice foam with a bag, keep it safe in shipping. So you get this, which will be your actual piece that you mount to here, and your handle for how you're gonna operate it. And you get your wiper blade, which is conveniently perfect size for a RZR windshield. I usually mount them in the center because then you get a decent sweep. You can mount them, I've mounted them off to the side before, so you get one there and maybe like one in the bottom corner, and you know, you can kind of play around with it and see. And then here's your arm that you get with it, and so that'll be a full it's kind of tough, but you can flip it up like a car, sort of, I don't know, keep the frost off the windshield and whatnot. Nice little cap that covers the nut that goes on there. So then we've got that good little hook system for the wiper. So you just take this nut off, take that off, that's your handle. Take one side of this off, and you're gonna want to go, I usually go nut, washer, rubber, and then on the other side the opposite, right? So then you're just gonna feed that through like that. It's actually a 1/2 inch hole, but you can drill oversize, undersize, it doesn't matter too much because it has these rubber washers and then the steel washer on there. And then there's quite a bit of adjustment you have on both sides. You're gonna want to get a wrench and really torque that on, but honestly, even hand tight with the rubber actually gets quite a good push on there. So we're gonna go ahead and install the old wiper blade here, which will be through like that and then pull back, snaps right into place, really nice. And then you're gonna want to take that and your piece here, run this up through, get it onto your, yeah, there we go. Get your nut on there, like that. Put your little beauty piece on to cover that nut up, and then you'll have a little bit of adjustment you can use, which is awesome for when you tighten that down, that adjustment's gonna come out of it, but you can use it. And then yeah, you get a decent sweep here. The only thing I'm gonna have to do is take it and shorten this arm just a little bit. So you'll just drill this rivet out here and then push this in, re-drill the hole, and then put a bolt through there or anything really, or you can re-rivet it with a pop rivet if you'd like. But yeah, this is a really awesome option for a wiper in a RZR. You can just hand operate it from the back side like that. Awesome, it works really well. If you don't want to spend the money on an actual window wiper motor, then you can go with this manual wiper they offer, and it's a really good price compared to the automatic wiper you can get. Yeah, and I've ran these on my old RZR. I actually had one for about, I would say probably 2 years. It ran strong the whole time, I never had an issue with it. The way it locks onto this main piece here is there's a little spline in there. I'll show you quick. You've got a little spline in there, and it's really soft. So then you have this spline here on this piece. As you can see there, it kind of goes in like that, right? And then it's gonna, when you tighten this nut down, it's gonna really pull this into here, and it's softer metal, so it's gonna go in real nice and stay where it has been placed. But yeah, if you're looking for a decent wiper option for your windshield, glass, poly, I wouldn't recommend running them on a poly because you're gonna scratch the shit out of it, but you can run it if you'd like. So thanks for checking out the video, and we'll see you in the next one.